Imagine stepping into a world painted in 1,000 shades of green. The air is thick and warm, filled with the smell of damp earth and blooming flowers. Sunlight struggles to reach the forest floor, filtering through a huge canopy of leaves high above, creating dancing patterns of light and shadow all around you. It feels like you've stepped into a vast, living cathedral, built not of stone and glass, but of wood, leaf, and life itself. This is the Amazon, a realm of unmatched wonder and mystery, a place where the power of nature is on full and glorious display for all who venture into its embrace. Everywhere you look. The Amazon rainforest is truly special, a biological treasure unlike any other on our planet. Its size is amazing. It's by far the biggest tropical forest in the world, covering an area so huge it could easily fit most of Western Europe inside it. This massive green space isn't just a bunch of trees. It's a busy, living system that works like the very heart of South America and the world. It's a place of extremes, home to more different kinds of life than any other ecosystem we know. Here, life has exploded into a stunning variety of forms, creating a complex web that scientists are still only just starting to understand. What really makes the Amazon stand out is its incredible richness of life. It's home to about 10% of all the known species on our planet. Just imagine, 1 out of every 10 animal or plant species lives right here. The Amazon River itself is the biggest river in the world by how much water it holds. Dumping more water into the ocean than the next 7 biggest rivers combined. Along with its thousands of smaller rivers, it forms a huge network of waterways, the forest's own circulatory system, carrying nutrients, carrying seeds, carrying life, all through its domain. To be in the Amazon is to be surrounded by sound. The rainforest is never silent. It hums with a constant symphony of life that rises and falls with the cycle of day and night. At dawn, the first notes are played by the birds, macaws, parrots. They are soon joined by the deep, resonant, almost prehistoric roars of the howler monkeys, a sound that can travel for miles through the dense foliage. It's a powerful primal wake-up call for the entire forest. As the day gets warmer, the orchestra changes its tune. The bird choir gives way to the more subtle, yet equally present hum of insects. Millions of cicadas create a high-pitched electric buzz. Bees and wasps buzz as they move from flower to flower. While the rustling of unseen creatures in the leaf litter below provides a constant rhythmic percussion. As night falls, the symphony undergoes its most dramatic transformation. The air fills with the chirps. Creating a mesmerizing and hypnotic chorus that will continue throughout the night. The Amazon is a showcase of nature's endless creativity, a place where life has adapted to fill every possible spot. The animals here are as varied as they are amazing. High in the canopy, you might catch a glimpse of a sloth moving with its unique slow-motion grace. Its fur, a tiny ecosystem, often coloured green with algae. Groups of nimble spider monkeys swing easily between branches, using their gripping tails like a fifth limb. Their chatter and playful antics bringing a lively energy to the treetops. Below, the forest floor is home to creatures like the giant anteater, using its long snout and sticky tongue to feast on ants and termites. The plant life is just as, if not more, amazing. The forest is dominated by huge trees like the Brazil nut tree, the kapok tree, which can reach heights of over 60 meters, forming the top layer of the canopy. Beneath them, a thick world of palm trees, ferns, and countless other plants compete for sunlight. Weaving everything together are the lianas, woody vines that wind their way up tree trunks, creating pathways for animals to travel through the canopy. For thousands of years, the Amazon hasn't just been a place of plants, of animals. It's also been home to people. Indigenous communities have thrived for countless generations, developing a relationship with the forest, built on deep respect. Profound knowledge and sustainable living. These communities aren't separate from the forest, they are an integral part of it. Their cultures, their languages, their spiritual beliefs, their very survival. They are the original guardians of the Amazon. The daily life of these communities is a lesson in sustainability. Encyclopedic knowledge of plants, encyclopedic knowledge of animals. The Amazon rainforest plays such a critical role that it's often called the lungs of the earth. This powerful comparison helps explain one of its most vital jobs. Like all plants, the billions of trees in the Amazon take in huge amounts of carbon dioxide from the air, a main greenhouse gas that causes climate change. Through a process called photosynthesis, they use this carbon to grow, storing it in their trunks, branches, roots. In return, they release vast amounts of oxygen, the very air that we and most other life forms on Earth need to breathe. This immense forest acts like a giant carbon sink, a natural storage facility that helps keep our planet's climate in balance. It's estimated that the Amazon basin stores between 90 and 140 billion metric tons of carbon. To put that in perspective, that's like many decades of human-caused carbon emissions. By holding on to this huge amount of carbon, the rainforest acts as a crucial buffer against the fast-moving effects of global warming. Its health is, therefore, directly connected to the stability of the global climate, making its preservation an international concern for every one of us. Despite its size, the Amazon is tragically fragile and faces threats like never before. The biggest threat is deforestation. Every day, huge areas are cleared for cattle ranching, for growing soy, for logging, for mining operations. This destruction comes with fire. Fires started on purpose. Fires that get out of control, burning for weeks, destroying millions of acres, killing countless animals, releasing huge clouds of carbon-filled smoke, choking the air for thousands of miles. But there's still reason to hope. More people around the world are becoming aware. Organizations are working with local communities, creating protected areas and finding new, sustainable ways for the Amazon's future.